Hello all, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Sumif and Sumifs formulas. Sumif and Sumifs formulas are nothing but conditional formulas, conditional sum or conditional total. Okay, for you I've created a data, a sales data actually. This is a sales data. Okay, whereby I have an items list and cities where it got sold and quantities, price, and totals or values. Okay, this is the data. So we have this data. Now we want it in a summarized way. This is including of everything. Like I have, like we have around apple, banana, orange, pineapple, mango. One, two, three, four, five. Five items like five fruits, and we have two cities where we are operating. Okay, so including all, this is my sales, including all items, all cities, this is my sales and this is my value. Now I want to summarize this. How I want to summarize? I want to summarize this by items. My items are nothing but fruits. So I want to summarize these by fruits, like how many apples in total we sold and what is the value, how many bananas we in total we sold and what is the value, how many oranges, pineapple, mangoes. Okay. In the same way, I want a total, like how many apples we sold in Hyderabad and how many apples we sold in Mumbai. So this is a summarized data, and this is the full data, like whole data. It is not summarized. It is just a sales data, what we got. So how we are going to summarize this? We are going to summarize this by using the formula sum if and sum ifs. Okay, let's start. Now, I have seen here, this is my row of like column of items. Okay, so now I'm going to come here, like I want to find the quantity of apples across all cities. So equals sum if, bracket open, it is asking for range. Range. What is range? Range is nothing but the list of items. Okay, where we are going to find. This is the range. Range where we are going to find. What we are going to find? We are going to find apple. Okay, and after finding, what does Excel should do? What does SUMIF formula should do? It should sum up the quantities. So I'm selecting the quantities column as well. Okay, so what we have done, equals SUMIF, we want to search this apple in this column. Okay, and if we got apple in this column, then please sum quantities of that particular apple in this particular cell. This is what we requested with this formula to the Excel. Let's see what will be the result. Enter. See, it is giving us 31 as a total figure across all cities we sold apples. Okay, so let's cross check this whether this formula is correct or not. Okay, 1 mango apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple. Okay, so let's highlight it. Okay, this one also for apple. So just select this 1 2. So let's do here equals apple 1, apple 2, apple 3, apple 4 equals, so 31 exactly it is coming. So that means our formula of sum is correct.